Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The origin of the popular Oriental Beauty Tea, also known as Pangfang Cha or Bragger's Tea, has a story that's as interesting as its name. There was once a farmer who sold his tea leaves for an extraordinary price. He returned proudly home bragging about the high price he sold the tea for, but his friends thought he was full of hot air, thus giving the tea the name Pangfang Cha or Bragger's Tea. Legend also has it that this tea was so good that it made its way overseas, where the Queen of England enjoyed it so much she named it Oriental Beauty.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 各位聽眾朋友，不是要躺下來的朋友，而是聽眾朋友。
是。
Hi listeners, let's teach you more about the Hakka culture with Leo right here. 我覺得今天還是要來喝點東西好了。
啊，喝東西好啊，
好不好？
我問你，你喜不喜歡喝茶？
哦，茶很棒啊 ，Tea is one of my favorite beverage, of course.
對，
尤其在台灣，你不喝茶就等於沒有來到台灣了。
對對，沒錯沒錯。
對啊。
但是你喝過那個烹鳳茶嗎？
烹鳳茶。
那我跟你講，烹鳳茶呢，它有另外一個名字，叫做東方明飲茶。
東方明飲茶的東方美人茶，對不對？
對，你聽得懂哎，哇！
只要是漂亮美的東西，我比較聽得懂。
也對啦，
美人嘛，對不對？哦，好像在吹你那個碰紅啊呢。
對對，就是把它誇大的意思。
是嘛，對不對？
對啊對啊，其實這也是有故事的。
對啊，為什麼要叫這樣子呢？
就是當初啊，那個北埔那個茶農呢，他把這個茶拿去比賽，就有得名次，然後而且賣了很好的價錢之後呢，他回來就跟他講說，哎，我賣了一個很好的價錢，好像就比平常價錢大概多了10倍20倍啊，就大家說，哎呀，你碰紅啦，你一定是在亂騙人的啦，就這個茶就叫做碰紅茶，碰鳳茶。
這個故事的確還蠻有趣的。The reason that this tea is called the 蓬風 tea is because 蓬風 actually means exaggerating, means bluffing. And there's a story behind it because there was one time a tea grower actually took this tea to town, sold it for a price that is at least 10 or 20 times greater than its original price. And so when he came back and told his friends and family about it, they all called him a bluff. But it was true. He sold the tea, and so from that point on, the tea is called the exaggerated tea, 也就是蓬風茶。怎麼說？
蓬風茶。
蓬風茶。And this tea is also known as the Oriental Beauty Tea, 也就是東方美人茶。再一次跟我們講，怎麼說？
東方明飲茶。
東方明飲茶。So there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.